These are the top 15 medicines you cannot find in any pharmacy. Listen to the doctors. 1. Exercise is medicine. 2. Fasting is medicine. 3. Natural food is medicine. 4. Laughter is medicine. 5. Vegetables and fruits are medicines. 6. Sleep is medicine. 7. Early morning sunlight is medicine. 8. Loving yourself is medicine. 9. Loving others is medicine. 10. Gratitude is medicine. 11. Letting go of offense is medicine. 12. Meditation is medicine. 13. Eating well, on time and not in excess is medicine. 14. Good friends are medicine. 15. Drinking plenty of water is medicine. If you can learn to do these 15 things, you may not need to visit any hospital or pharmacy. Kindly share this video so others can learn too. Give us a follow for more interesting videos.